how to add an app to the home screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to place app shortcuts on your home screen for quick and easy access. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open the app drawer. Next, you'll see all the installed applications on your Android device. Following that, scroll through the list to find the app you want to add to your home screen. Now, tap and hold on the app icon until a menu appears. Moving forward, drag the app icon towards the top of the screen. Afterwards, your home screen will appear showing available space for the app. In addition to that, move the app icon to your desired position on the home screen. Once you've found the perfect spot, release your finger to drop it there. Subsequently, the app icon will now be placed on your home screen. Moreover, you can move the app to a different position anytime by tapping and holding it, then dragging to remove. Once you've arranged all your apps, press the home button to view your customized layout. Then your frequently used apps will now be easily accessible right from your home screen. And that's it! If this tutorial helped you add apps to your home screen on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.